At Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, we understand it is important that your obstructive sleep apnea mask not only works effectively, but is easy to use and to incorporate into your day-to-day life. The F&P Eson 2 is a nasal mask made for nose breathers, designed to give you confidence from the very first night. This video will show you how to fit your mask, take it apart for cleaning, and reassemble it again. Please note that F&P has added blue color cues into the mask to assist you with fitting, assembly, and disassembly of your mask. Eson 2 provides multiple fitting options for patients to accommodate for a number of different fitting styles. For a quick fit, the mask can be stretched directly over your head. Hold the bottom gray straps of the headgear with the mask frame facing downwards. Guide the headgear over your head so that the silicone seal is resting on your forehead. Place your hands on the straps either side of the mask frame and pull out and downwards. Ensure the silicone seal rests over your nose and the blue top strap is sitting on your forehead. Gently tighten the headgear straps of the mask headgear, starting with the blue top strap, followed by the bottom straps. The mask can also be put on by using either the traditional clip or with the bottom strap fastener. After fitting your mask, attach the tubing to your mask and turn your CPAP device on. You may need to make some final adjustments. Fitting tips. If you experience seal leaks, lift the silicone seal off your face and reposition it again. Ensure the headgear straps are not fastened too tightly. The forehead strap should rest horizontally on the forehead, just above the ears. A good fit is snug around the head but not too tight. There should not be any air exiting the mask around the seal, but you will feel air coming out of the exhaust at the front of the mask frame. You can remove your mask again by placing your hands on either side of the mask frame and pulling the silicone seal off your nose and lifting the mask back over your head. The correct care and maintenance of your equipment is important for long-term therapy success. To disassemble your mask for cleaning, unhook the headgear clips from the mask frame. Remove the silicone seal, diffuser, and the swivel from the mask frame. To extend the life of your mask, you should wash these parts in warm soapy water after every use. After washing, rinse all parts with fresh water to ensure all soap residue is removed. Do not clean any items in your dishwasher. Once a week, you should also wash your headgear and diffuser in warm soapy water. Do not soak parts for longer than 10 minutes. After rinsing, all items should be allowed to dry out of direct sunlight. To assemble your mask again, push the silicone seal onto the mask frame using the blue ring for orientation. Push the swivel onto the end of the elbow and place the diffuser onto the elbow. Thread the forehead straps of the headgear through the slots of the mask frame. And hook the headgear clips back onto the mask frame. Your mask is now ready for use again. The Fisher & Paykel Eson 2 nasal mask has been designed to make it easier for you to fit CPAP therapy into your life. Following the steps in this video can assist you with fitting, disassembly, and reassembly, and looking after your mask. If you require any more information, we recommend you contact your local healthcare provider. Thank you for choosing a Fisher & Paykel Healthcare mask.